Today we have a tutorial video on how to overhaul the lifting ram for your Chief EasyLiner 2 and your Chief EasyLiner Classic or Classic frame machines. Chief made 2 hydraulic cylinders for this, a 6.9 ton and an 8.5 ton. The 6.9 ton will be these 2 seal parts. The 8.5 ton part will be these 2 parts. These come as one kit so that you don't have to identify the ram that you are trying to overhaul. Makes it easy. One set you'll use, the other set you will throw away. What you will need today to overhaul this ram will be a pick, a screwdriver, Teflon tape, crescent wrench, and a spanner wrench. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to take the brass threaded lock ring out. You'll use your spanner wrench. You'll take this out. You'll notice that the spanner nut does have a wiper ring on the inside. This wiper ring only wipes the dirt off of this as the cylinder is rising in and out. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take off our hydraulic coupler. You must take this hydraulic coupler off, otherwise it will be vapor locked and your cylinder will not rise up. We're going to pull the ram out. And prior to doing anything, the first thing that you want to do is you want to check the inside of the cylinder for pits or scarring, which would cause leaking. You can have a little nick or two on this again because this is a wiper ring and it only wipes the cylinder, the dirt off the cylinder as it slides down. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take off the coil snap ring. This spring can be kind of tough to get off. It is designed to be very secure. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop our seal off. And now we'll pop the brass ring out, the brass washer or spacer. You'll notice that there are cuts on the brass spacer. You want to make sure that those are always facing down. Now prior to reassembly, you can use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner and a spray can, clean everything out, and now you are ready to go back together. First thing that we'll do is we'll put our seal kit on. We will put our steel retainer back on. And then we'll take our new spiral ring. We're going to put our spiral ring back on here. Again, this can be a little tough because it is new. It's a new one and they are tough to get off even when they are old. Or the old ones and they're stretched out. They're still a little bit hard to get on, We'll put this on. It's a little bit tough. You'll make sure that it's locked in real good. Make sure that it will not come off and make sure that it's snapped in all the way. The next thing that you'll do is you'll reverse the process, and now that everything's cleaned off, you'll put a little lube on here, put it back in, put your threaded brass washer back in, tighten it up with your spanner wrench. Now when you tighten this back up, you want to go a little bit past snug. You don't want to over tighten it. You'll wrap your hydraulic coupler with Teflon tape. Reinstall your hydraulic coupler. Tighten it up real good. And you are now complete. Whichever seal that you do not need, you can discard that or save that in case you have two frame machines. One frame machine may have the different ram in it. The seal kit for this is RP-LRSK-EZ2. It's the lift ram seal kit for these rams. Grade A Tools are the people that supply these seal kits. They will FaceTime you and text you and do whatever they can to help you out. Again, FaceTime is probably the best way to do it because of the fact that they can help you right there, and they have helped plenty of people to do that. So anytime you need any help, call Grade A Tools. We'll have some additional information for you at the end of the video, how to contact them, and all the information in the frame machines and etc. that this equipment will fit. Thank you very much.